Hello everyone. This is the video that is going to tell you about the custom library that we have created in order to automate the work that can be done in C. So, it allows us to use the advanced data structures so easily that a simple function call can allow us to execute the functionality of thousands of lines, right? So, if you would go on this URL, advancedlibrary.tiny.site, we have hosted our library there. You can see the manual here, right? This is the manual of our application. It allows us to know how the application can be used. And the best advantage of this manual is that even if someone does not know about the data structures we have mentioned here, through this manual only one can understand easily, because the diagrammatical representation along with the description of this library of this data structure is given, and the functions are also given for each and every functionality. Later, you can see here we have saved here the .c and .h file as PDF form, as in of PDF form, because we had to deploy this application on this tiny site only, and it does not allow us any other extension other than images, other than of images, videos, or PDF. It does not allow us .txt or .c or even .docs, right? So due to this, we have just uploaded it in .pdf form. You can download it and then convert it into .c or .h according to the requirement. Now let's see what is the output of these files. So we have three files available here. First is mylib.h. It is the actual header file which involves all the function declarations. It gives the prototype of each and every function that we have created, and it also has the comments which allows us to know about each and every function without getting a deep dive into it. It gives the overview. Later we have mylib.c. It has all the function definitions. Mylib.h had declarations, mylib.c has definitions, where definitions include all the implementation of functions that are involved for a particular abstract data type or a data structure. But you must be wondering, do you have you created a file where everything has been called so that a user can know how a particular function can be called easily? So yes, we have created it here. You can see here, if you want to create a vector, all you have to do is call a vector create function. After that, for this particular vector, we can call vector add function, and it would be adding the numbers into that vector. And through that, we can also fetch the data from the vector. So this is the structure which allows us to know about object-oriented programming, such as, though C is not object-oriented programming language, but the concepts such as vector and other data types or data structures we have seen in C++ and Java. So suppose I'm calling vector create. So by calling vector create, it would return me a pointer to, suppose, V. Now if I'm going to call vector add, now vector add, we know that there is no concept of object in C programming. So in that case, to correlate this vector to vector add function, I should know na that I have to add entry in my vector. But to which vector? There can be multiple vectors that a user may create. So for that case, we are going to pass our first argument, that would be the existing vector that should have the value passed into it. That's the way the values are getting passed. And later, if we are running it, you can see here we have also implemented graphics functions, or in a simpler way, we have implemented color codes which allows us to change the default color, that is white color, of the text, as well as the font of the text, and also the size, and other attributes. So here are some data structures that we have implemented: vector, array list, linked list, sorted linked list, hash map, binary tree, doubly linked list, graph, and we have also implemented file conversion mechanism where suppose I am giving input.txt file as an input. Now one.bin is my output file, and if I have to create the copy of input.txt again, so here you can see, hello, this is boxing champion. That's it. Hello, this is boxing champion. We have displayed it, right? So that's it. And here is a small manual that we have created while development of this application because it helped us to know what each and every function does along with its description. So that's it from my side. Thank you.